How to create a Bluesky account. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can create a Bluesky account. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to create your Bluesky account, launch your Bluesky application after it is downloaded on your device. It is easily available on any of the app stores, so you may just simply download it from there. After it is downloaded, when you launch the app, you can see this option called create account and sign in. Since we're creating an account, simply tap on create account. After that, you just need to provide your hosting provider. After that, enter your email address and choose a password for your account. Just go on with the process and tap on next. After that is done, on step 2, you need to enter your username handle. We're just going to go on with the process of typing in your username handle, whatever you want. After that, simply tap on next. After that, you just need to go on with the process of completing the challenge, like verifying you are a human for the verification process of their security. And after the verification is completed, it asks you to give your profile a face. You may just add continue doing so. I'm just gonna not do it for now and tap on continue. After that is done, you need to type in your interest, what kind of interest you have. After that, tap on continue and let's go. After that, your account will be finalized and your profile will be created and your account is successfully created. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to create your Bluesky account very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.